Urhobo ado. Do Urhobo mini ado iya. Do Urhobo mini ado iya. Mori bi sa ado iya. Tedeno ne mimuno forowa unina ve egwariro nenire. Yes, today I'm giving you an Urhobo song, and this song, as always, has some key lessons to learn from it. Agbakiro. And of course, you don't see this song in the mainstream. Our musicians, some of them don't even know it. Only those old ones might know it. So, if you are a music engineer, why don't you put a beat into it? And let's do a collab on it. It will come out right. But let's start now. Ugo Ovwugheghe sakponome Inyovi very edoke Ovo the pleasure of udado kuna Urhobo iteveri anene Ugo Ovwugheghe sakponome Inyovi very edoke Of the pleasure of udado kuna Urhobo iteveria nene ugo wo Ovwugheghe sakponome. What does this song mean? And ugo, oh glorious, oh beautiful. See, Ovwugheghe, say the foolish one. Sakponome is the one that said the life, the world is mine. He said, look at two brothers in your weave or two siblings. We failure okay, they got rich one day. Of the pleasure of that dokuna. So one buy pleasure like a pleasure car, like today's word now can say maybe like Ferrari or a very nice car or Rolls Royce. Understand? With the pleasure of that okuna sheep. But after seeing all of this, the speaker of this song say Urhobo or iteria. So my own food or my own is what satisfies me. I am not moved by two brothers that got rich overnight. I'm not interested. Forget manner. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Say, I'm not moved by two brothers that got rich overnight. What is happening to us currently in Urhobo land? My friend's wife came from Ovwugheghe recently. Ovwugheghe, and life in Ovwugheghe now is even more expensive than life in Warri. What exactly is in Ovwugheghe? How many companies are there in Ovwugheghe? How many schools are in Ovwugheghe? How many factories are in Ovwugheghe? Yes, I'm not talking about only Ovwugheghe. Eku, Opara, Kokori, like all over Urhobo land. Where are the companies? Where are the infrastructures there? But guess what? What is making life in Ovwugheghe to become so expensive? On Jimefowa. When a Yahoo boy goes to the market, area the bro. Maybe 2,000 naira. I know what the what review flashy kawaii. I don't have this fish in an. Yes, a purely that is 3,000 naira. You say, oh, put this one. I don't know. So the Yahoo boys are catalyzed everywhere. I class AJ. So the sellers now, they don't even know the difference between someone that is earning his money legally, earning his money with sweat and blood. I've been there. If you don't get money like what's his name? Davido, say hide your face. You understand? Tivoyawera. When did we lose this timeless tradition of contentment with what we have? Tivoyo nure. Amono yunabale eka na wegben evule ideta state na. Amono yunabale eka na. Miliele obo meta na dikule bika like loile. But oni metale ni amlere atare. Okwo bako. Arata. Elenyo. Okwo mutete another proverb of the day. Omwewe so galo nyori. Amlere atare okwo bako. Atare enyori okwo mutete. Let me explain that to you. When you see and you do not talk, it will kill you as the elder. Just like some of you parents who will see your child doing some mischievous things, antisocial behavior. Okay, you did not say anything. Tomorrow, that child will come and hunt you down. That will bring you to your early grave. That child you failed to correct early enough, it will be the one to use it for money ritual. Okay, wait. I am married. Atare. Okbako. What that as an okbako. When you've sinned and you not said it, you already absorbed yourself. It is the child that refuses to listen now that it will not kill. That is why you see sometimes you wake up in the morning, you tell you prepared everything for your child, go to school, go and learn work and all that. I say, no, I don't want to do that. This is what I want to do. Last, you are not the one that will push the wheelbarrow. After anyway, they will still call him your son or your daughter. But you're not the one that will push the wheelbarrow. You're not the one that will do all the many or maybe become a drunkard. So that is why as I'm here, Momo Tete or Wamle na Momo Tete, Eke Bobo, Kedemi me Urhobo you killing Jericho. Omena, make ata. Me that boy. Kakatani okbako no totana. Omle tano kilomo teteri. Oyo otacha. Oyo neke utoyi. Ise. Oyo otacha okiwi tete. Idu okina na ojeta. Tele Urhobo se okobaro. Etina mide kwenu na yo. Besmiki ikuyo. Wariane. Dede woni ikwo fe. Begede abiwe fe. Woje na Akpo buwe. Gidi Mario, gidi me okpo. Oyo inopo ya soge. Gidi Mario, gidi mukpo. Gidi ore. Gbe. Oyo ore, ani gidi me okpo. So whatever comes gidi goes gidi. You don't need a preposition for that one. That is onomatopoeia. All right, I'm going with Tine. Yolu why, olu jo, organ